Welcome to our video tutorial on how to create the advanced ship notice for the BRICK using EDI Gateway's Web EDI portal, Webgate Plus. First, you'll need to log into Webgate Plus at webgate.edigateway.net. Prior to creating your ASN, you must have created and sent your purchase order acknowledgement. The system will build your ASN while incorporating the changes reflected in previously exchanged documents such as purchase order change and purchase order acknowledgements. The BRICK allows you to ship multiple purchase orders on one ASN. Please note that in order to comply with the BRICK's business rules, the system will create one invoice per purchase order. The BRICK requires mandatory information. In order to facilitate the process, we have highlighted these fields with a red X. You will not be able to send your document if one of these fields is missing. Should you need to exit the application and your ASN is not yet completed, you can do so by saving as a draft. Let's now log in to Webgate Plus. Enter your username and your password. Enter the security code. Let's start building your first ASN. Go into your Documents, Inbox, and select the purchase order you wish to ship. The first ASN we'll create is for one purchase order for one ASN. Let's start with the header section. Click on Documents, select your purchase order, right-click, and select Create ASN. First, enter the ASN number. You may use any reference number of your choice. The system will default the date and time that you created the ASN, but you can change it if you need to. The fields that are already populated are either pulled from the previous related transactions and your vendor profile, which we have previously filled for you as part of our managed services. Please verify to make sure the populated fields are correct. Next, you will need to enter information that will allow the BRICK to identify the transport that will carry your goods, such as the bill of lading, the tracking number. The container description code should be selected from the drop-down menu, and equipment number as per your transport company. For example, container and the container number. Once these fields are entered, you can either click on Next at the bottom of the screen or click on Packing to reach the packing section. Next, let's fill the packing section. Click on Packing. Verify that the appropriate information has populated on the grid. You can edit the quantity, but all the other fields are not editable as they come from the purchase order. To change the quantity, simply click on the quantity and modify it. You can now view your ASN by clicking on Asn Preview. To show the ASN in a human-readable format, click on Asn Preview. You can also view the item list by clicking at the item list icon on the top right. Please note that MH10 labels or packing information are not required by the BRICK. If you want to return to your ASN as you are not sure of what you are shipping or it has not been completed, please save it as a draft. You can save it as a draft by clicking on Saving as a Draft here and clicking on OK. When you're saving as a draft, you will need to go back, close your transaction, go to your outbox. You will only be able to send valid documents from your outbox. To do so, you will click on Send Valid. As the status is valid, if you click on Send Valid, it will send all the valid documents that are remaining in your outbox. The draft will not be sent. To be able to send a specific document and not the other ones, you simply click on the document, right-click, and click on Send. Next, I'll show you how to do multiple purchase orders on one ASN. Go back to your inbox, select the purchase orders that you wish to ship, right-click, Create ASN. You can enter your ASN number, your bill of lading number, the tracking number, select the description, and enter the equipment number. Go in the packing section. When you click on Asn Preview, you will see that you have both purchase orders. Click on Save, and your ASN is now in your outbox. You can right-click and send your ASN. Always ensure that you have received an acknowledgement for your transaction by monitoring the status 24 hours after sending the document. To monitor the status, go into your sent box. Your documents will be here. The ones that are sent have not been received yet by the BRICK. In queue simply means that it's in our system and we're about to send it. Once you receive your acknowledgement, you will have a date here along with the status acknowledged. Congratulations! You have completed your ASNs for the BRICK. Your next step is to create the invoice. You can view the tutorial on how to create your invoice for the BRICK. Here's how to reach us, and from all of us at EDI Gateway, thank you for watching.